you think of a car that is elegant, it is classy, it is affordable, and most importantly, it is super reliable? Well, this is my baby for today, and it is suited for young and vibrant people. And ride with me. You're welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, do well to do that right now, and I will tell you all about this car. So guys, this is the Nord A3, and this car, I love the fact that it looks really gentle, but actually is very rugged and can take anything you throw about it. Now, looking at the design of the car, I love the fact that it does look like this. I love these bumpers that are on it. Then, of course, one of my favorite features would have to be the LED daylight lamps. And then we have our headlamps, which, well, are really great. I love this chrome that is spread across the front here, with this nice small grills and our proudly Nigerian Nord logo. And everything about this exterior design is pretty beautiful. I love the fact that this car actually comes in white, and so you can see that it has a splash of white, black and chrome all over the car. Moving over to the side, you can see our beautiful 17-inch wheels, which are actually really good. And our brake disc calipers, side view mirrors with, of course, our beautiful lights here. Everything about this car is really beautiful, and I can't wait. In fact, let me just show you what this car is actually made of. Let's talk about what's powering the engine right now. It's powered by a 1.6 liter inline 4-cylinder. So yeah, you have your 4 cylinders in a straight line. That's what it means. It is paired with a 6-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, which is inside the car. And well, it sends all of the power that it exerts to the front. When it comes to brake horsepower, of course, this car pushes out a whooping 156 brake horsepower, or you can say 116 kilowatts of power. Well, and then when it comes to the torque, we're talking 210 to 250 newton meters of torque, or 156 pound-feet of torque. I had to give you all the details necessary. This car here accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 9.7 seconds, and it has a top speed of 217 kilometers per hour. That is actually really lit. When it comes to fuel economy, this car does 30 plus miles per gallon, which is actually super cool, super lit. Well, that's like the result on both highway and city. So I'm going to take you inside now, show you what this car is made of, and we will go for a drive. So right now I'm inside the A3, and I totally love what I'm seeing here. Like, I love this black leather on the seats, and I love how contrasting the interior design actually is. Like, look at the roof, it is actually colored. I love everything, it's really organized, and I think the most organized part of the design of this car is this entire area. It looks very simple. Like, I love how the vents are just there. Of course, you have your touchscreen infotainment system, which, well, is touchscreen, but yeah, you can see that it's not compatible with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto or Amazon Alexa at the moment, but of course you have your Bluetooth connectivity. I love the dual zone climate controls that you have here. Of course, this is a 6-speed automatic transmission gear that you have here. Our engine start-stop button, I love. Well, right here we have our sweet cup holders, extra space right here for your stuff, but no, it's not a cool box. And I love that you have this slot here that I can just fit my phone in, especially now that we're worried about people snatching our phones. I don't think anybody's going to notice my phone over there. So I really like this, like really like this. The gauge cluster is actually really beautiful. I like how everything is just set and straight to the point, easy to understand. Of course, you have, well, your speedometer, your fuel gauge. I love that digital screen right there. You can see that it's indicating that the 2 car doors are actually open. It shows the accurate temperature and the mileage on this car that has been put already. So actually everything about it is really lit. I love this car. And then a beautiful leather strapped steering wheel, which is light, very precise, and ooh, with our Nord badge, of course. And I love, let me just show you how this car sounds. That's actually really cool. I don't know why I did that, but I really do love this car. Now, just like on the A5, I did talk about some features. So this car has some similar features with the A5. Now, remember when I said for security reasons, you know, most cars do have a lever here that you can actually pull to open and close when you want to shut your door. But this is the same on the A5. So all you need to do is pull twice simultaneously and it will open, of course. So you have, well, your lock and unlock, you have your door controls over here, side mirror controls over here, speakers. It had like a 6-speaker audio system in this car, which sounds really good, and everything about it is actually just great, you know, nothing too spectacular, nothing too out of the world, but everything is perfect for the class that this car is in. I'm in the back seat of the Nord A3 and it is really cool. The seats are really comfortable. I love the fact that they are beautiful. Like, this leather is actually really beautiful. If you have your baby, of course, you can strap in your car seats. You have your seat belts right here, and oh, it actually feels really nice right here. I love the headroom, is actually really cool. I love the leg room too. That is a lot for a car this size. And well, there's a lot of space everywhere. You have like some space over here. You can actually put your phone in like that, and you have, well, some space right here too, and everything is just okay. Here now, this is something I noticed earlier. We don't actually have that armrest that you can actually pull out, and no, there are no cup holders here at the back, and so it's just here. So it's good that you have someone sitting right here and the person is comfortable, but it ain't cool because there's nothing to have to like rest my hand on. So hey guys, okay, I know you're wondering, but I had to show you this trunk. Oh, that place is actually super comfortable for a car's trunk. Yeah, so here we have it. I don't know how much in capacity, but I could actually fit in, and I'm very sure 2 of me can fit in there comfortably. It is really spacious, really nice, and I love how it looks. I also love the fact that we have some extra storage here, so you can fit in, of course, your vulcanizing tools and your spare tire, and that's just about it. There are no extra pins. This is just for the boot. There's no extra pin by the side, or you do have extended storage by the sides. But okay, so now we're in the car, we're taking it for a ride. But first of all, I want to show you something I really do like about this car. I didn't think that this would also have it. I mean, I did, but I didn't expect it to. I don't know how it works in my head, but okay. So let's just show you. So of course we have the reverse camera right here. So I'm going to use it to reverse and see how good it actually is. Okay, so I like how it shows me all the angles I need to see, but the Nigerian in me definitely still check my mirrors. So tell me, what do you think about that reverse camera? I think it's actually really neat. It shows everything I need to see, and it's actually really good. So we're going to take the car now somewhere that we can actually play with it. This car, of course, comes with different features. You have your keyless entry, of course you have your remote start-stop button. It also has stability control. Actually, stability control basically means that when you are driving out of place, maybe you're driving and you're not driving, but you're not sticking to one lane, the car basically puts you in place, keeps you in one piece, in one state. So you do enjoy that as well. I like the fact that the car is actually really silent. Let's see how this car actually goes over these double bumps. I want you to feel this with me. Double bumps. Who put double bumps on roads? Okay, let's try this side too. I'm going to purposely pass this part that is actually interlocked because it's not interlocked really well. So let's see how it goes. Okay, to begin with, I'm going to be honest. I do like how this car actually feels on the road. I like the fact that it's silent. The ride is super, super, super comfortable. You do hear a bit of road noise, but you don't feel much of what you're supposed to feel on the road. So the ride is good. It's not like your typical luxury car, but it's great. Okay guys, so 0 to 100, 9.7 seconds. Let's see if that is true. I have my timer here and let us go. 0 to 100 guys, let's flourish.
Start fast.
Okay, acceleration is well average. 0 to 100. Okay, 100. How many do we have?
Like 10.
10?
Yeah.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
So, 10 seconds, 9.7. Great. Okay, now, so I have just taken the car out to drive, and I really, really, really do love, like I was saying it in the car, this car is super fun to drive, and I really enjoyed every experience. The handling is great. Of course, I love how the suspensions handled the lot of bumps that we had on the road. And I must say, in fact, I love this car. Like, I really, really, really do love this car. Now, there are a few things that I happen to, well, not really like. One will have to be the fact that there is no blind spot warning. And there was something else, and I can't remember what it is. But it's not something really major anyway, just something about the driving experience for me, which is a personal thing, so it's not a really major thing. Like that. You get. Now, something I really do like about this car, again, just like the A5, this also is the safest sedan on the road. And I kid you not, it has like the 5.0 Euro NCAP rating. Crash test is also superb, 5.0. I'm talking to you about 92% for kids, and it's 92% for kids, and it's 7% for adults. That is actually really, really super cool. So this is super safe. Like, think about it, you have safety, top-notch safety in a car. It is super reliable, it is rugged, which is what we actually really do need. It is affordable, and it is fine. Like, it is so fine. So I don't know, what else are you waiting for? Okay, so if you want to get this car, there's only one thing I have to say to you. You have to tell me that you want to get this car. You definitely have to get this car. And as to how much it is, I'm going to be putting it on my screen so you can see. And yes, Ride With Me is going to be giving you that discount as usual. So I'm going to put all of that information in my description box. You can actually go check that out. If you did not watch the A5 video, I'm also going to put the link to that in the description box. Now, to end this, I'm going to ask you one question and one question only. When you're looking to buy a new car, what is it that you look at apart from exterior design? Do you look at fuel economy, or do you look at acceleration? So that brings me to this, guys. Yes, we've arrived at our destination. Thank you so much. If you're new here, if you haven't yet, please do want to subscribe before you head out. Like this video and share my video. Tap on the bell icon also to turn on post notifications. And I'm out, guys. I love you. See ya.